Welcome back to another day here on Stoked Living. I've got a project of getting the pool up and going. I'm not a big pool guy. I thought, I always wanted a pool whenever I was a kid, and I don't want to deprive my kids from not having a pool, so I got a pool. I wish I didn't get a pool, but what do? It's either you fill it in and not have to worry about it, or you just enjoy it and go on. Every year is just a royal pain getting this thing up and going. I'll have you kind of look at this. So I've got a leaf net on there, and got to get all the trash that's kind of gone in there in the winter time, football and whatever else. It just looks awful. But pump the water off the top of the tarp right now. Then I'm going to try to get this tarp off and try to get this thing looking good. But maybe I'll show you some before and after pictures, because it looks rough right now. It's a lot of work. But this ain't my first rodeo. Seems like I'm doing this every year. You think I'm going to do better with it next year, but I never do. So pools are fun, they're nice, but they're a lot of work. So just keep that in mind whenever you think about you're going to get you a pool. So if you like to work on that kind of stuff, you like to be like a chemist, because that's pretty much what you are, getting all your chemicals right and stuff like that, hey, get you a pool. If you have a lot of irons in the fire, seem like you got things going on all the time, always going, pool might not be a good idea. But kids sure enjoy it, the wife enjoys it, and maybe this year I can enjoy it some. Get some of them irons out of the fire and do some stuff around here. So that's kind of the game plan, get this thing up and going. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I got most of the water pumped off the top of the tarp on the pool. So now I need to take the leaf net off and get that gunk out of there. It's going to be a pain. You can kind of see I'm having to add water to raise the level of the pool back up. So there's no telling what kind of critters I'm going to get out of here once I start taking this stuff off. I imagine they slither and are slimy. All right, so I'm sure there's got to be somebody out there that has experience with pools, and you got any tips, pointers, something that just makes this a little more enjoyable, because I think there's people that really enjoy this kind of stuff. I'm not finding much enjoyment in it, but once it gets cleaned up, ready to go, we're gonna like it. So if you got any pointers, just let me know. I am all ears. But got that sump pump in the middle now. Now it's kind of getting not the solid stuff. It's sucking out all the trash, trashy water, and get it out of here. What a mess. So the water doesn't look too bad. There's quite a bit of leaves and stuff like that down in there, but I can see the bottom, so that's promising. Probably the main thing that I've learned from all of this is find a friend that has a pool. Just use their pool. And if you want to come out and use this pool, I hope you guys can, because it needs to be used. They're fun, but take a lot of work. So find your friend that has a pool. Okay, well, we got the cover all off. Water's looking kind of rough, but that's expected. Start getting stuff kind of flowing through here now. So got to de-winterize everything. I got a little that guy there. I saw a creepy crawler running through here earlier. I'm not sure where it went. Hopefully it decided to leave the homestead. There's a little water snake. I'm not sure where he's at. I'll find him whenever I'm swimming at night, I bet. Oh, there's another little garter snake. Oh, all this water that I pumped off the pool gathered up here. Kind of catch-all. Yeah, I think it's got potential. A lot of work. Got a friend in the pool. I don't think he's wanting to swim with us. I'll wait and let Katie get that thing out. How am I going to get him out of here? Just reach down and get him, is that it? What would you do? He looks like he's friendly. I don't think it's a biting snake.
You better not go back in. I'm gonna kill you if you do.
What kind of snake is that?
Water snake.
It was called a common water snake.
It's common in this parts. Oh, hot. Is that all the way down?
Yeah, it's looking a little better.
I've seen worse.
Yep. It's gonna take some time.
Huh?
It's gonna take some time. Okay, so we've got the pool all opened. This is several days after we started on it, and I'm in a lot better mood. Whenever I start the pool every year, I just keep putting it off. And Katie, she gets on me, and the kids like, we need to open the pool. So this year, it actually probably was the smoothest it's ever gone. You guys kind of see the pool there. You can kind of see the bottom of it, so that's good. Had several critters in there. I'm sure you can go back and look some of the videos. You can see the snakes, and had turtles and bullfrogs and I don't know what else. But had quite an ecosystem living inside that pool when we started. But it looks a lot better. Got Katie's flowers that she got for her birthday. We trimmed them up. That over there and that there, and still got a little more work to do, kind of clean everything up. But she got her some new chairs for her birthday for my mom and dad, so starting to come together back here. And the kids have been swimming a little bit, but it has been really cold. It's like in the 50s right now, so it's really not swimming weather, but that's the way it goes. So that's kind of the view we got back here. Get a check on the goats and swim and do whatever else. So you got to see it's overcast. We're supposed to get some more rain tonight. Think about a total of 4 inches. Well, I've had trouble in the past with is this water would come all the way down through here, and you've seen some other videos where it would flood back through here. Well, it would come and it would back up and it would come over here and it'd fill up the pool. And it was just like the pool would turn into like it was pond water. And so we would have to kind of do a whole reset. And I finally connected the berm all the way through here. And you can kind of see the water standing in here. This is from the rain. Now the water doesn't really drain out of here, but it doesn't come back in. So ever since I connected that berm all the way around, it's kept it from flooding my pool. That is not very much fun whenever the pool floods. That's a bad week. But anyways, that's kind of the pool saga. Got it opened up, and we try to keep it looking this good all summer long. So if you got any pool questions or suggestions more, I've got a lot of suggestions on what not to do. But I don't know, throw some comments down in there and give me some advice, because I always need that. But thanks again for watching here on Stoked Living, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and we'll catch you next time. God bless. See ya.